In this video, we're going to show you how to install the fender mounted park light on your Jeep Wrangler located on the front side of your fender. On the front side of the marker light are two T15 Torx bits. We're going to use our 1/4 inch ratchet and our bit, loosen and remove the screws. Grab the marker light. On the back side here, you're going to take the socket and twist it counterclockwise. And remove the socket and the bulb all as one. Take the light and your marker unit here. Now these tabs here are keyed. They're different sizes, so it's only going to fit in one way. Get that lined up, twist it clockwise till it stops. Insert the light. Get your screws in place. I'm going to use just the Torx bit and I'm going to get the screws started. Once you have both of those started, go ahead and snug those down. And once that screw snugs down, you'll stop right about there. You don't want to over tighten this. You can crack the lens or damage the component that the screw is going into. Once you have your two screws installed, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.